Hello. Oh gosh, I lost my voice again. Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening to you all. Good evening. Please let me share this video. Good evening. Good evening. I'm sorry. Good evening, guys. I lost my voice again. Please let me share this video. Please let me share this video. It's very important. It's very important. Let me share this video. I want this video to get to the right sources. Please let me share this video. Good evening, everyone. Sorry I lost my voice. Thank you. It's a bit long. Not a bit very long. It's a bit long. Please let me share this video so people can come alive. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I literally cannot wait any longer. And I'm sorry, my voice is a bit down. My voice is cracked. I have a very hectic day. I'll be busy. I'll be up and about. I'll be working. And I was at a wedding this evening when I got a message that I have to do this, and we're given 24 hours to do it, and my tomorrow is very tight, and my tomorrow is very tight, and I wouldn't want to miss it, and I have an automaton to do this before 24 hours, and I've got to do this night. Tomorrow I have a lot of things to do, and I will not have time to do it, not because I don't have respect for my Ayan people, because I love them too much. So I decided to do this right now. My name is Faustina Peters, and I sincerely want to apologize to Ayan Edo Association. Sorry. Sorry. So I'm trying to calm my voice, please. Okay. Thank you guys. I can do this now. I really want to apologize to Edo Artist Association of Nigeria. I want to appeal to my president. I want to appeal to my board of trustees, my chairman. I want to appeal to my members of BOT. I want to appeal to the hard-working men in Edo industry, and also to my fans, as I like to call you guys. Like, after my family, you guys are the next. I don't want to measure. I don't want to choose between you guys and my family. I'm deeply sorry. You guys know I love live video very well, but I don't do it to sag or to cause problem. I just come on live video to do my stuff and then promote my business. But for the past weeks, it's been toxic. It's been hell. It's been a lot of issues. It's been catastrophe. I'll put it that way. I'm really sorry. We are really sorry. Me and my friends, we are deeply sorry because the video took a different tone, a different dimension. We didn't plan it that way. We were upset, yes, very angry, but at the same time, we didn't do the right thing. We didn't take it the right way. We didn't use the right measure. And we were supposed to get to the elders and also to the president to get permission before we do what we are supposed to do. We are just a child. We are just a child, and we took this thing out of proportion. We took to the wrong direction. Why we, my fans in diaspora, my fans in Nigeria, why we obonaya gboyoma aveyasi ekegbi kemike ni mari why wala why gwi imati awo ni mateu give no mano, but mama yage my in I would have put this in Benin now. We did the wrong thing, or rather we took the wrong turn. The elders before I could take a decision I take. But at the same time, we are sorry for letting you guys down, for letting the Edo in diaspora down, for letting the Edo in Benin down. If we Edo have fed we that without you guys, there is no us. Of a truth, we didn't mean this to happen, but we are really sorry. We are really, really sorry. Why we the malawa zeve or you want mahin why yabima keke ni mana yabiwa keke ni mana wemida keke ni mana uho keke mariata wa la wugu wa regwi wa yabima wa yerima be na you wa la wugu. And I will end this live video without saying a very big thank you to our president, to our BOT chairmen, and to all the hierarchy in Edo Association of Nigeria, Artists of Nigeria. We are really sorry. We are really, really sorry for not consulting you people before we took the step we took. We are really sorry we went on the wrong path. We are really sorry for whatever we must have said. We know that what we did got a lot of people to ask or question you people, and a lot of people intend to look down on us because of some words or some character we exhibit during the live video. We are really sorry. We didn't mean that. So for this reason, I want to apologize to my Edo Artist Association, and I love you guys. I stand for the truth, and I say my own truth. We are sorry. Wala wubu. We accept my back. Obona noyak bovyoma. Aya isi ekegbi. Kemike mariya wala wubu ya bima. You guys rock. To my fans, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for your love. Don't keep supporting Faustina Peters. BBB to the top and stop. I love you guys. I'm grateful. for everything that you guys have done, for your cause, for your messages, for your encouragement, for your undiluted love. Wawesi. Waegwi. I know sometimes I might be so stupid. I get coconut head. I know the year word. Wayabima. Walawo. Okay, we can marry Yabome. Me especially, I want to say sorry to my fans, my die-hard fans. Waegwi. I know in course of that video, we did wrong. We breathed some people down. Some people intend to dislike us because of what we did. But why we walao yo kama yiki ma merere imamore regboto so why we walao obono ya igbomo aya si ekegbe. So we asked to come out and apologize publicly because we did a public display also on Facebook. So we have to come back to the same Facebook to apologize. So Mary, why we accept my back? Why we kaka? Mary ko yaore. Ma do apologize. Walao waira yeme. Mateta mamagita. Walao. For those that watch beneath you, please keep watching, keep supporting us. Don't because of this little fracas we had and you stop your love and support towards Edo growth. Walao wa supporting ma, wa ya supporting ma here, wa ya love you ma, wa ya share movie ma. And for those that still have support to give, stick in your best interest, in the love you have for us, still support us as we have always done. We are really sorry for the wrong we did, for the road we took. It was a very wrong road. We should have taken another step, but I am for Oga Iworema, you know, Waegwi, still on still. We are so sorry. To my president, Sir Joseph Umago, I'm deeply sorry. I, Faustina Peter, I'm sorry, sir, for not consulting you first, because the live video was actually done through my platform. I'm sorry. I can't say you know me. If I say you know me, that means you don't know the rest people. So I'm sorry, sir. And to my BOT shamans, I'm sorry. To my elders, to Edo artists, I'm sorry. To my fellow colleagues, we are very sorry. I'm deeply very sorry. Please accept my apology. It's really from my heart. I promise no more saga, please. And I'm still fighting for the truth though, and I will never stop fighting for the truth. But we are sorry. We didn't mean it that way. But we say thank you all. Thank you, friends. Thank you, family. Thank you to my brother for not coming on live to add more fire to fuel. Thank you for my brothers. Thank you to my sisters. Thank you to my fans. Thank you to the Edo people in diaspora in Nigeria. Why I always say, God bless you. Or for those that hate me, thank you. I always say, cannot feel, cannot feel. For those that call, for those that called, for those that advised me, I always say, I took your advice. I really do take it. So please help me share this video so you can get to my president. May they not forget to sack me, I beg. So you can get to my BOT chairman, so you can get to my colleagues. Please help me share it. Please help me share this video. Thank you guys. I love you guys. I really do love you. I've got to go. I'm tired. I just got back from a very hectic and a long, stressful day. And I need to take off these latches, take off this makeup, take my bath, eat, and sleep. Thank you, guys. Oba Tokbe is and one voice. And one voice. And one voice. Thank you all. Thanks to my president. Thanks to my colleagues. Thanks to everyone watching me right now. God bless you. Thank you. And we are really sorry. I'm sorry. Good night and have a beautiful night.